Powerful benefits of meditation. Meditation is the art of silencing the mind. When the mind is silent, concentration is increased and we experience inner peace in the midst of worldly turmoil. This elusive inner peace is what attracts so many people to meditation and is a quality everyone can benefit from. We provide 5 interesting facts about meditation. Number 1. Meditation makes you happier. People who meditate generally lead happier lives than those who don't. Meditation is known to enhance the flow of constructive thoughts and positive emotions. Even a few minutes spent meditating regularly can make a big difference. Scientific evidence supports this claim. Extensive studies were conducted on a group of Buddhist monks as they were meditating. The prefrontal cortex of the monks' brains was found to be extra active. Number 2. Meditation helps you manage anxiety, stress and depression. The transformative potential of meditation shouldn't be underestimated. Studies conducted at the University of Wisconsin proved that meditation has psychological effects on the brain. For example, researchers found that the part of the brain that regulates stress and anxiety shrinks when meditation is practiced consistently. By focusing on moment-by-moment experiences, meditators are training the mind to remain calm even in stressful situations. Along with this, they also experience significantly less anxiety due to uncertainty about the future. Number 3. You don't need to be a religious person to meditate. The MindWorks meditation founders are sure that meditation can benefit everyone. It is beyond doctrine. It's about developing calmness, practicing awareness and decluttering the mind. And although contemplation is a key component of most world religions, you don't have to be adhered to a religion to practice meditation. This is good news for the 1 in 5 Americans who define themselves as spiritual but not religious. Number 4. Meditation helps you fall asleep. Insomnia is a troubling condition. Everybody dreads a sleepless night. Sadly, about a third of the American population suffers from some form of sleep deprivation, whether occasional or chronic. If you are one of those misfortunate folk who stare at the ceiling and count sheep all night to no avail, meditation just might be a solution. An article in the Harvard Health blog confirms that meditation triggers the relaxation response, which is why some people actually have the opposite problem. They fall asleep as soon as they begin to meditate. Number 5. Meditation sharpens your memory. Apart from enhancing your happiness and improving your overall well-being, meditation also helps your memory stay sharp and your concentration remains steady. With mindfulness meditation, you train in remaining aware of the present moment in a non-judgmental manner. Consequently, distractions are less and less likely to sweep you away. This is another reason why you should meditate. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your valuable comments with us.